Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can search for the similar pins on Pinterest tab. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest tab on your device. Now, tap on a pin. After that, you will see the magnifying icon. Tap on it, and that's how you can find the similar pins of your interest on Pinterest tab.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.